Once again, nanay, please.
Tita, sister, dito po tayo tabi kay Joy. Lola,
Okay, nasan si Tita Peli? Tita Peli? Ayun, si Tita Peli. Okay, everybody, Merry Christmas. To please stand for the singing of birthday song for our
okay, let us all clap our hands and sing a birthday song for our celebrant, Mary Joy De Leon.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Everyone!
Clap our hands. Okay, now Joy, you may now blow your cake.
Pero mag-wish muna si Joe. Okay.
Wish.
Pwede bang malaman namin, marinig natin ang wish ni Joy sa kanyang 80th birthday? Okay ba yun? Yes! Sige, parinig mo sa amin, Joy, ang wish mo before you blow the candle.
Wish ko makapasa sa SQE.
Yes! Your wish is granted.
Okay, palakpakan natin. Joy, you may now blow your cake.
1, 2, 3, go!
Okay, happy birthday, Joy. Palakpakan po natin ang ating celebrant. Pwede na po tayo ulit maupo.